Hi, I'm Bill Hayes, State Representative for the 72nd House District, which includes Coshocton, Perry, and a part of Licking County. I live just east of Pataskala, between Pataskala and Granville. I am Chairman of the Ohio House Education Committee. I'm entering my third term as a state representative. As the chairman of the Education Committee, I'm interested in dealing with several issues, and I kind of put them in one of four boxes. That would be a matter that we've recognized that something's really good in education, and I would really like to see us protect and promote those things that are going on in our schools. Secondly, find things that are really bad. In fact, if there's something evil going on, like school shooters and that sort of thing, I think we should do everything we can to eliminate those problems. Thirdly, try to find things that are broken and fix them. And that might be where a lot of issues come up, like there are many folks who think we need to deal with Common Core, student testing, teacher evaluations, many of those items that I think there's going to be continued discussion on during the 131st General Assembly. And last, find what's missing in education, and that would include things that I hope we're not sitting around trying to dream up, but that we find from our constituents, from superintendents and teachers who are in out there on the battleground, dealing with these issues every day, that they can tell us that we need to do something to fix them. In any respect, I hope the Ohio House Education Committee will go thoughtfully through the process on each item that's presented to us in the way of a bill, and that we will make education better in Ohio. Thanks for the opportunity to serve in that position, and we wish the 131st the best in its efforts to do so. Thank you.